Welcome to Streams of Wealth. If you are interested in wealth, in streams of wealth, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you do not miss my videos that I am uploading. In this video, I will show you Forex strategy for double tops and double bottoms, how to trade double tops and double bottoms, how to easily find them, and what indicator to use for them. Yes, we will be using indicators because I have a strategy for it. Very easy, very simple to understand. If you watch my previous video, you will most likely know that the indicator what I'm using is TDI indicator. You can get it on indicators, type TDI and use this. Gold mines edited for MMM. This is what I'm using. Settings, you can stop this video, they are defaults. You can use styles. This is what I'm using, so you can stop the video and copy and paste it, but it's on default. I just deleted this fast EMA, and these levels I changed them. I also deleted these levels. So these are the settings that I'm using, and for this strategy I will select random pair because, as you know from my previous video, if you watch them, so Euro GBP. As you know from my previous videos, I mostly do not make videos with perfect setups. Yes, I could make short video with perfect setups and tell you do this, do that, and this is exactly what you should do at this point, but I like more to go back in some random time and then show you on this chart how I'm thinking, or how you should think using this strategy, what to do or what to avoid using this strategy, and I think it is better for understanding. So how we will be using TDI to find these double tops and double bottoms. What we are waiting for is for this green line to cross above or below this blue line and then close below or close inside this blue line. So if I take this is our green line, let's say, so this blue line that I'm now painting, it's our green line. It have to cross above blue line and then close inside this blue line. Then what it needs to do, it needs to do divergence. Divergence is if the indicator is making, for example, a higher highs and higher lows, however the price is making lower highs and lower lows. This is what we are waiting. And let's go back. I will show you in, I will go here and I will just select some random time and I will show you everything in this backtesting. So yes, I'm on 4 hour. You can use it on lower time frames, but this is for 4 hour, and yes, you can use it on other pairs. So let's select this. Let's reset chart, and now we are waiting for this green line to cross above or below blue line and then close inside this blue line, and then we will go take a look if we see divergence, if we see double top, double bottom, M and W pattern on the chart, and then we can take it if it looks good. So no. It have to close above or below blue line. So that is first what needs to happen, otherwise I do not care. So now, this was good. Unfortunately, the price did not make double bottom It may here, yes, you can say with this candle, but it should do this. It should go down, up, and double bottom, and then up. But that did not happen here. So it went up, but it was not the setup I am looking for. So let's wait for another. And again, and as you can see, we made double top. It's not that clear on 4 hour, but if you go on lower, you will see clearly that it makes double top, also known as M pattern. And so do we have divergence? So price on the indicator is making lower highs, and here it's, we go on 1 hour, and then it's making it makes double top. So at this point, yes, we can take it. So if we see some strong move to the downside, we can take it. If not, then no. So now we see, do we have? Well, we have divergence. We have. It's not that clear because there are a lot of wicks, but as you can see, price is making higher highs, and here you can see a lower highs. So if I see strong move to the downside, I can take it. And no, so nothing. So nothing, and let's wait. So again, I'm waiting for this green line to cross above or below blue line, and then inside these blue lines. You can catch very good moves. Just wait. Just wait. I've seen a lot of trades, or I've seen a lot of setups using this indicator, so just wait. Of course, I'm backtesting it, so if I create some video with perfect setups, it would be faster, but I think this is better for you, or maybe not. Let me know if you want to see just some perfect setups that I find in past and show you on this video, then I can do it as well. So what do we have? Nothing. It's not that clean on this pair. And now I want to see. And do we have? Yes. Yes, exactly this. So this is now perfect setup. What can you see? We have close below blue line and then close inside. We also have divergence. Price is making higher lows. But here, what do we see? Lower lows. So this is perfect. Now I just want to see some move to the upside, and then I will take the trade. And this is what I want to see. So we see still the price is moving down, but on the indicator it is moving up. So this is double top, also known as W pattern. So at this point, I am taking this trade, targeting about 1 to 2. And again, I don't have this prepared. You see me, how I'm thinking, you see what I'm looking for. So When I'm 1-to-1, I put my stops to break even. So am I 1-to-1? No. Of course, you can target just 1-to-1. It's up to you. So at this point, I am 1-to-1. So stops are now to break even. And we hit our target. 1-to-2 risk reward. Thank you very much, Euro GBP. So double top, double bottom. Of course, you can see wicks, but here you can say it is double bottom. If you go on 1 hour, then this is nice double bottom, and we went up. So this is what you are waiting for. So this was a perfect example, and you always you are always waiting for these perfect examples. So again, if you still don't get it, then it's very simple. This green line have to come and break this blue line and then reverse. And then it have to come back and start reversing again. Then you want to see on this indicator divergence. Divergence mean that on this indicator it's moving up, but this price it's moving down. So if you just watch this price, you can tell yourself, well, it is moving down. But if you watch this indicator, you will tell yourself it is moving up, it is creating higher lows, but here lower highs. So this is divergence. So I hope you understand it, and let's do some more example again. So we are 1 win plus 2%. You can say if we take just percentage. Again, what I'm waiting for is for the price to cross above or below this blue line. And again, you can see that it's now forming double top, also known as M pattern. So if we see some rejection, and again, what do we have? We have divergence. So the price is making what? Higher highs. But here, lower highs. So again, indicator now made lower highs, but the price is making higher highs. So at this point, I would not take sell. I want to see some move to the downside, and then I will take a sell. Of course, if this will not change. So it's moving down, and now it went up. So unfortunately, if this made another lower low, then I will still be looking for sell. But now we made already. This is no divergence, so nothing for this. And let's wait for another trade. And again, as you can see, break. And if we close inside this blue line, then I will look at the price. So nothing. And what do we have? Up, down, well. It was not clean. You want some clean setup that just looks good, like that first setup, like first trade. That was a perfect setup. And if you want the best trades, you are waiting for best setups. And yes, as I've said, you can use this on other pairs. So if you don't see setup on Euro GBP, then just go watch other pairs and you can use this. And this is very good. And again, double bottom. Double bottom indicator is making higher lows. The price made lower low, very small, but it made, or we can say a double bottom. So let's see. If I see now move to the upside, then I will probably take it. So yes. So let's wait for another candle, and it went down. So nothing, if you are not sure, you know, like in this trade, it was good, but it still did not, it was not like before. I want to see some move to the upside. First some move, then if that next candle, if this candle would go higher than this, if it will be some strong move, for example, if exactly this candle was the opposite on the upside, I would take it, but I did not. And again, no, this is nothing. And again, no. So we are waiting. I will show you one more setup. This video is too long already, I think. But hopefully you are now getting. I will also tell you very important things at the end of this video, because I want you to understand a few things before even thinking about that you will trade with this. Or not thinking before, of course, trading with it. So let's wait for another example. And yes, and no. We want to see divergence. So close, I needed to close with some M and W pattern inside. So at this point, and we made double top. The price is creating higher highs. So as you can see, we have divergence. So it is not that big, but the price is making higher highs. The indicator is showing us lower lows. It's not that big, but it is. It's definitely not higher highs like on this. So if I now see another candle move to the downside, break this last lower high, then I will probably take it. So now I will take it. You can see, of course, you may not see it from this, but I see it. You have to train, and then you will see. What is this? It is double top. It is also M pattern. The price is making higher highs. Now double top. The indicator is showing us lower highs, divergence. So the candle is too big, but I'm taking it. At this point, I'm not sure if 1 to 2 is available. You need to also think about where you will take a profit. So if you have big candle, you may not get to 1 to 2 risk to reward, because when the price will come close to this, you may expect some rejection, etc. But at this point, I will still take this 1 to 2, because in worst case, if I am 1 to 1, it will hit my break even. So at this point, I probably it's taking too long, you know. If you backtest this, or if you see backtesting it, then it's different, because we entered in Wednesday, Thursday, and now it's Friday, Monday, Tuesday. You are for 3 days in this trade. So it's different than this life. You just click it and you have 4 hours, like it's nothing. But now you watch it, you are in profit, then you are in loss. At this point, it is going sideways. It should already move up. So I'm closing this trade. This is what I'm doing. Of course, it can go down, but now it's lottery, because it's moving sideways for 3 days. It's not doing anything. Using this strategy, double tops, double bottoms, M and W pattern, the price needs to move up or down very strongly. Sorry, I had to stop recording the video. So since this video have already 20 minutes, I create these videos and show you perfect setups for this strategy, because I had to stop this video. So then I find these perfect setups and show you examples of the trades. So this is USD CAD. As you can see, we make double top. The price, the indicator is showing divergence. The green line is above blue line, close inside these blue lines. We have a double top. So this is also, you can take this also. And targets 1 to 2. Of course, I have these setups prepared, so I know what will happen. And as you can see, we hit it. So these examples that I recorded are perfect setups, or setups that you want to see. I also recorded different pairs, so you see it is working for all pairs. You are just looking for the same setup. The next one, USD CAD. We have again double top. We form an M pattern, so you can see M, and the indicator is showing us divergence. So at this point, this is again perfect setup. We take it, but for example in this example we go sideways. So at this point we are closing the trade because it is already for 3 days moving sideways. So let's just be real. This strategy is not 100% sure strategy. It will not work always. That is why you are waiting only for the best setups. Again, what do we have? Double top, we see M pattern, but the indicator is showing us divergence. It close above blue line and then inside blue lines. So at this point, again, perfect setup. We are targeting 1 to 2 risk to reward, stops above the market structure, and we can take this trade. So this is again 1 to 2 risk to reward, and again I know what will happen because I have it prepared. This is USD CAD pair, and now let's move to the next one, and that is Euro JPY. So as you can see, different pairs but the same setups are occurring. So again, what do we have? Double top, and indicator is showing us divergence. So on indicator the price is moving down, however on the chart the price is moving up, or now it creates double top M pattern, so we can take this as well. So again, as you can see, different pairs but the same setups, the same rules. We are following the same rules, the same setups. Divergence, green line to cross above or below blue line, and then to close inside. USD CHF, different pair
But again, what do we have? We have the same setup. Divergence, however, the price is making higher highs. In this situation, it is again double top, but the indicator is showing us that the price wants to go down. So if we see this strong candle to the downside, then we can take this trade as well. And again, 1 to 2 risk to reward. So when we are 1 to 1, we put our stops to break even. And finally, 1 to 2 risk to reward was hit. So again, these were 4 examples that I recorded. These are the setups you are looking for. So again, it is simple, but you need to backtest it. Understand that you have to be confident in what you are doing. Do not trade with this strategy. Do not trade with any strategy you find online just because you watch a video and then you will go live trading. No, you need to backtest this as well as other strategies, and you need to be confident in what you are doing. If you are not, use your demo account and train here, train there. And then, if you are confident in what you are doing in your strategy, if you have your rules, your targets, then you can trade it. Of course, it is up to you, but this is my recommendation. I have a lot more strategies for Forex on this channel, so make sure to watch it. It's all free. They are all very helpful and they will all help you in your Forex trading. But again, you need to backtest these strategies. You may discover that some strategies are not for you. Everyone is different. You may want to use different time frames, but I have strategies on scalping, on higher time frames, lower time frames, different kind of strategies, and I am using it all. The more you know, the better. Sometimes, of course, not. The more you know about Forex or strategies cannot be good for you, because then you will watch the charts and you will see the reasons to take this or not. That's why you need to know yourself what is the best for you. However, this is strategy that is very simple. Follow it. Wait for these rules to occur, for these setups to occur, and then you can trade with this. So that's it for me for this video, and I wish you all the best, and goodbye.